Is DevOps really dying because of AI? Now, if you spend enough time on LinkedIn, YouTube, or X, you probably think the answer is yes. But when you look at what's happening in the industry, the data suggests quite the opposite. Look at the recent CNCF for cloud trends. The infrastructure needs are growing more than ever. Kubernetes adoption is growing. Observability adoption is growing. Security keeps growing. And there are new categories that are being emerged during this time. LLMOps, AgentOps, model serving, GPU orchestration. Let's take a simple example. Imagine a company is launching an AI product. For that, they need to host a model. They need accelerated compute, set the networking stack, connect it to a database, provision the orchestration layer, set up observability and cost dashboards. All of this needs to run somewhere, and that is the infrastructure. Now, this infrastructure, someone needs to build it, someone needs to monitor it, and someone needs to secure it. Also, that same someone has to get up during a production outage, take a decision whether to roll back to a previous version or take some risk based on the business requirements. So the funny thing here is AI is not reducing the operational complexity. Rather, it is increasing the operational complexities. So companies definitely need people to build reliable systems as well as manage these tasks. Historically, this has been DevOps engineers, SREs, platform engineers, and infrastructure teams. So the tools might change, the technologies might change, the workloads might change. But one thing that doesn't change is the need for people who can build such systems. And that is the DevOps engineers. So is DevOps dying? I don't think so. It is evolving. 10 years ago, it evolved with virtualization, then cloud, then containers, and now AI infrastructure. So if you're a fresher thinking if you should even pursue DevOps, the answer to that is obviously